Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll. Okay, I think it is turned off. We have to scroll and find the biometrics and passwords. Now let's tap on the fingerprint. And here we have to choose a screen lock first. Of course, if you've got your screen lock currently applied, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with a pattern pin or password. So let me choose the pattern. Let me quickly set it, redraw it and confirm. Now you have to decide what kind of notification content you want to show on the lock screen, so just tap on the option like to use and tap on add. And now we've got the instructions. So the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button on the left side of our device. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. It's a little bit hard in this position, so let me just adjust it. Okay. And as I said, do it multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, now the edges. Okay, we just successfully added our fingerprint, so let's tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint. We just added, we can rename it or remove it, add another, and decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We do not have a lot of options, only the unlocking. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.